In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter emails in Outlook to achieve a cleaner inbox using rules. Whether you're overwhelmed by the sheer volume of messages or just looking to streamline your email experience, setting up filters can be a game changer. Let's dive right in to simplify your Outlook inbox. First, head over to the Microsoft Outlook page. Once you're there, click on the Sign In button. You'll be directed to a sign-in page where you'll need to enter your login details. Be sure to type in your email address and password correctly and then hit Next to proceed. This will take you to your Outlook dashboard, your central hub for managing emails. Now, let's set up our email filters. Look towards the top right corner of your dashboard where you'll see a gear icon. That's your settings menu. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Mail. This is where we'll find the tools necessary to create our email filtering rules. Once you're in the Mail settings, navigate to Rules. Selecting this option will open up the area where you can manage and create rules to tailor how your emails are sorted. To add a new filter, click on Add New Rule. This is the starting point for setting conditions that will determine how incoming emails are handled. The first condition you'll want to add is based on the sender. In the condition column, choose From, and then specify the sender's email address. This rule will apply to any emails coming from this particular sender. After setting the condition, it's time to decide what happens to these emails once they arrive in your inbox. Next, it's time to add an action. This is where you can customize the rule according to your preferences. While there are many options to choose from, for the purpose of this guide, let's use the categorize action. By categorizing emails, you can easily identify and color code them for better organization. Choose a color category that stands out to you, making it easy to find those emails at a glance. Once you've added your condition and action, you can put that filter into effect by clicking Run Rule Now. This ensures that your newly created rule is applied immediately to your existing emails as well as any future ones. If you have more senders or different types of emails you want to filter, feel free to add as many rules as you like. The goal is to streamline and organize your inbox effectively. After you've configured everything, make sure to click Save to apply your new rules. And there you have it, a well-organized email inbox tailored perfectly to your needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope your Outlook experience is now a lot more manageable.